Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is the month of Ramadan. Do you know Ramadan is divided into three parts? What are those three parts? BFF. Do you know what is B stand for? Or FF? You don't? It's about time that you learn. B stand for blessing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. In the first 10 days of the Ramadan, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is showering His blessing on you, those who are fasting. So take those blessings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and say, thank you Allah. What is the next F? Which is a difficult one, is forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We have a hard time forgiving other people, but Allah has the biggest heart in the world. He wants to forgive the total humankind if they believe in Him. So the next 10 days from 11 to 20, which is called the second part of the Ramadan, is the forgiveness from Allah. So do not miss the opportunity during the second part of the Ramadan to seek the forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and get your all sin to be completely wiped out. What is the last F? Oh, that must be a very difficult one. And it is very painful. That is to seek the protection from the hellfire. The last 10 days of Ramadan is specialized in which you can ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to protect you from the hellfire. Do you know the temperature of hell? Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, take the woods of the whole world and burn it and measure the temperature. Whatever that temperature multiplied by 70 times, that's the temperature of hell. Can you go in the hell for a second and face that wrath of the burning? No one can. So, dear brothers and sisters, utilize and use these three parts of the Ramadan, BFF, blessing, forgiveness, and to save from the hellfire.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi